Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 8, that's about number 2 multiplied by number 4. So if we want to create about identity in here, we need to add number 4 square in here. Later that we need to minus about 4 square. Negative 4 square plus 20, we have positive number 4. And this one, that is about s plus 2, s plus 4 to the power of 2. And now we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 4 equal to 2 times t, because if we put this one go in here, we have 4 times t square, number 4, we can do about factorization, tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have ds equal to 2 secant of t square dt. So we put this one go in here. ds we change for this one. This one we change for 4 times t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. So this one we change for secant of t square. 2 divided by 4, we have 1 over 2. Secant of t square divided by secant of t square. So we have dt. The integral of dt, we have t plus c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And we have t equals to r time of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.